Ever wondered if there's a limit to how much you can throw into your Questrade account and get busy trading? Let's face it, in the fast-paced world of investing, every second counts. You see an opportunity, you gotta seize it. But before you go on a depositing spree, there might be a small hurdle to consider: daily deposit limits. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Questrade's deposit limits, let's rewind a bit. For those new to the game, Questrade is a Canadian online discount brokerage. Basically, it's a platform where you can buy and sell investments like stocks, ETFs, and even options, all without the hefty fees of traditional brokers. Here's the beauty of it: with Questrade, you're in the driver's seat. You control your portfolio, make your own trades, and hopefully, watch your money grow. But like any good engine, you gotta fuel it up to get it going, and that's where deposits come in. Alright, so how much can you pump into your Questrade account on a daily basis? Buckle up, because it depends on the method you choose. Need for speed? Instant deposits. If you're the impatient type, itching to get your trades rolling, then Questrade's instant deposit might be your saving grace. This nifty feature lets you deposit funds using your trusty Canadian Visa debit or Interac debit card, and the best part: the money shows up in your account instantly. Now, here's the catch. While instant gratification is sweet, there's a limit. Questrade caps instant deposits at a cool $10,000 per day. That's a decent chunk of change, but if you're looking to dump in more, you'll need to explore other options. Thinking long-term? Pre-authorized deposits, PADs. Maybe you're a strategic investor, preferring to consistently add funds to your account over time. In that case, pre-authorized deposits, PADs, might be your perfect match. PADs are essentially automated deposits set up directly from your bank account to your Questrade account. They're a fantastic way to build your investment nest egg brick by brick without the hassle of manual transfers. Here's the good news: there's technically no daily limit on PADs. However, things get a little interesting with processing times. Deposits under the $10,000 threshold typically take 3 to 4 business days to reflect in your account. But if you're a high roller, exceeding that $10,000 mark, then be prepared to wait a bit longer, up to 7 business days. The classic option: traditional deposits. Let's say you're a traditionalist, sticking to the tried-and-true methods. No worries, Questrade offers a variety of deposit options like online bill payments, wire transfers, and even sending in a good old-fashioned check. These methods are perfectly reliable, but keep in mind, they come with their own processing timelines. Just like PADs, expect to wait a few business days for the funds to settle in your account, depending on the chosen method. Beyond the limits, bank on your bank. It's important to remember that Questrade's deposit limits aren't the only ones you might encounter. Your bank, the financial institution you're transferring funds from, may also have their own daily deposit limits. So, if you're planning a mega deposit, it's always a wise move to check with your bank beforehand to avoid any roadblocks. The takeaway: depositing with confidence. Whether you're a day trader needing an instant cash injection or a long-term investor building a portfolio brick by brick, Questrade offers a variety of deposit options to suit your needs. Just remember, be mindful of the daily limits and don't forget to factor in your bank's potential restrictions. With a little planning, you can keep your Questrade account fueled and your investment journey running smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.